Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will check, clean and show you about various mini cars here. Let's go to check with me. Okay, now I start to check from this one. Firstly, I have to put some water so we can see some parts of any vehicle. A mini short airplane. Everybody. Okay, I bring another one. Shake it. បាទបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នានេះគឺជាប្រភេទ super car បាទប្រភេទ super car orange color បាទប្រភេទ super car orange color បាទប្រភេទឡានទំនើបពណ៌ទឹកក្រូច Let's go. Let's move to the next one. Yellow supercar បាទ Yellow supercar ឡានទំនើបពណ៌លឿង Okay, let's go to another one. A mini police car, everybody. A mini police car, number 110. Shoot colors. I love this one. Now check the next one. Another interesting vehicle. បាទបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នានេះគឺជាប្រភេទម៉ូតូធំលេខ40 Super motorbike yellow color number 40. Okay, now check the next one. បាទបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នានេះគឺជាប្រភេទបាទឡាន police car បាទហើយវាក៏ជាប្រភេទ sport car ដែរបាទ sport car nice color. Okay, let's go. Let's check the next one. Super truck បាទ super truck construction. But this one is a tank truck. Truck. បាទប្រភេទឡាន sedan អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាបាទនេះគឺជាប្រភេទឡាន sedan ដែលដូនស៊ីគេហៅថា Mobil tanky បាទ this one បាទគេហៅថា Mobil tanky ណាបាទដូនស៊ីបាទប្រភេទ racing car green color racing car green color number 21 បាទ number 21 ឡានប៉ុណ្ណឹងលេខ21បាទនេះគឺជាប្រភេទ super motorbike yellow color super motorbike yellow color everybody. This one is very nice. A mini yellow racing car number 8. Number 8. Okay, let's go. Fruit carបាទ fruit car very nice. A train car បាទបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាបើសិនជាចូលចិត្តវីដេអូមួយនេះសូមជួយចុច like ជួយចុច comment ជាពិសេសបងប្អូនដែលមិនទាន់បានជួយចុច subscribe សូមជួយចុច subscribe នេះមួយ Okay. A mini short airplane បាទ a mini short airplane. Okay, everybody, if you like this video, please let me know by comment, like, and especially subscribe to my channel. So now thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye. Good luck. Don't forget to enjoy your day. Be happy every time, everywhere. Okay, thank you for watching. Goodbye.